Hi friends, just wanted to share one more thing about reading a box plot with you. You may see on the digits questions similar to this where they give you a set of data and they ask you which of these box plots match the set of data up here. So let's go ahead and show you how to do this. The very first thing you need to do, of course, is to list your data in order from least to greatest. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So I've got 114 is my first number in order, 134. Next number is going to be 181, 189. Trying to make sure I can squeeze these all in here. 191, 216, oh boy, and if I can get it in here, try again, 255. I'll write it down a little bit. It keeps wanting to switch pages on me. Okay, so there's our values in order from smallest to least. Now we need to identify the minimum value. So of course that's going to be our smallest, 114. Now I'm going to look at the box plots that they gave us to choose from to see if any of these match what my minimum value is. So 114 is going to be just above the 100 on the line. So this box plot, letter in A, does have a 114 as a minimum value. Look at this box plot on letter B though. Their minimum value falls below 100, so that doesn't match the data that we have. So we know right away that the box plot they show for letter B is not the right box plot for this set of data. Okay, let's look at letter C. They have the minimum data here as just above 100, which is about where the 114 would lay. So that could possibly be it. And then this one, letter D, is again similar to B in that it's below the 100. So we know that letter D cannot be the minimum. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is take a look at the maximum number, 255. Now we've already eliminated B and D, so I only have to look at A and C. So 255 is going to be just above the 250, which is about where this piece of data, or this dot on the box plot is. And the 250 here is about right. So they're not going to help us with that. So let's take a look at where our median or our middle value is. So covering up and moving in, we can see that 189 is the middle value. So let's check our box plot. So 189 is going to be just below 200. So this one is in the right spot, and this one is in the right spot. Okay, so that didn't help us. What can we look at next? Well, let's take a look at our lower quartile. So the lower quartile, remember, is the middle number in the lower half. So that is going to be 134. It's going to be our lower quartile. So let's take a look at our graphs and see if either of these show the lower quartile as 134. So it's going to be somewhere below the 150 mark. Okay, so that one is about in the right place. This one, if we look at it, is above 150. So that cannot be the correct box plot for this data. So by eliminating the B, C, and D box plot, we can tell that letter A should be the correct one. So let's double check and take a look at the upper quartile to make sure that is in the correct place too. Our upper quartile, the middle data number piece of data in the upper half of our numbers here is 216, and if we look at where their upper quartile is located, it is about what looks like 216. So A is definitely the correct box plot to match this set of data that we're given. So that's how you would figure that out if you have a question like that on your digits homework.